Hello, today we will guide you through how to download Conversation in Slack. To begin, open Slack and make sure you are in the correct workspace where the conversation data needs to be downloaded. This process is handled through your workspace administration area, so you may need the appropriate permissions to access the settings shown in this walkthrough. Once Slack is open, look to the left side navigation panel and locate the Admins section. Click on Admins in the left navigation. This area contains management options for the workspace, including settings related to data access and exports. If your layout looks slightly different, take a moment to scan the admin-related menu items until you find the Workspace Management options. From there, click on Workspace Settings. This will open the settings page for the workspace, where Slack provides administrative controls for customization, permissions, and data tools. The settings page may open in a new browser tab, so keep that in mind as you move through the next steps. Once you are in Workspace Settings, find and click on Import/Export Data. This is the section used for moving data in or out of the workspace. Since the goal here is to download conversation content, this is where Slack provides the export option. Next, click on Export. This will take you to the Export page, where you can choose how much data you want to include. Exports are useful when you need a record of workspace conversations for reporting, backup, or administrative review, depending on your organization's policies and Slack plan. On the Export page, select the export date range. This step allows you to define the time period for the conversation data you want to download. Be careful to choose the correct range so the export includes everything you need without pulling unnecessary data. If you are looking for a specific conversation window, this is the point where accuracy matters most. After selecting the date range, review your choices, and once everything looks correct, click Start Export. Slack will then begin preparing the export file. Depending on the amount of data included, this may take a little time to complete. Once the export has started, you may need to wait for Slack to process the request before the file becomes available for download. If you are working with a large workspace, patience is helpful here. And that's it. You've successfully started the process to download conversation data in Slack.